although the behaviors of our scripts are going to be managed by our coders, there are certain types of interactivity of the code and our Unity objects that we need to really clearly understand so that anyone working on the game can communicate clearly about what it is they're looking for. Say, for example, a graphics designer is working on building the world and adding in assets, but they want to know some information in the script and they don't want to have to open up the script itself to see it. There's a way that we can actually have our script communicate with Unity directly that's valuable for all of us to know. Right now, this player script says that there's some kind of a material, actually that's just tucked away in the bottom of our object itself. The script itself is really boring. It references the script. We can have more information pop up here. If I open up the script and go into the top part of my class, the key here is to create a variable. Let's say I create an integer. I'm going to call this number. And I'm going to set it to 0 for now. This number is a variable, like our coders might know inside of our script. But if I make it public and save my script and go back into Unity, what I'm going to find is when I click on sphere, I now actually see number appearing in Unity, which is amazing. It allows me to not only see what the value of number is, but I can actually change it. I can actually play around with it. Where might this be useful? What if I had a variable for the speed an object can move? Now when I save and it re-updates, speed, I can actually play around with this in Unity. Maybe I want to try 5 and then 10, 15, try some different speeds out when I'm play testing nice and directly. I don't have to jump back and forth and change the number in my script over and over. I can just do it manually through Unity. I can also do something like string message. Quick note for the coders, notice string is lowercase in C#. And in this, here is my message. So I've created a string and I'm going to make it public. And if I dive back into Unity, I should see that this message has popped up. And I can change it in here if I want, but maybe there's a little note from the coder that they want to slip in here. There's more robust ways we can do this later, but for now it's a nice, easy way of having some information